Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics so nothing unexpected happens. Open Settings and go to About Phone to note your model and Android version. This matters because menus differ. Back up your data or make a quick copy of important files. Uninstalling updates can reset app data. If you can't find system options, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times, then back out. Once done, navigate to Apps or Apps and Notifications to begin locating the target app you will roll back. Now you act on the app itself. Open Settings, Apps, then find and tap the specific app you want to revert. Look for the 3-dot menu in the top right or the storage entry. There you should see Uninstall Updates or a similar rollback option. Tap it and confirm when the system prompts you. Make sure you read the warning because app settings may change. If the button is disabled, you may need to disable the app first or uninstall its updates via Play Store instead. Finish by rebooting the device to ensure the rollback fully applies and temporary cache is clear. If Uninstall Updates was not available, open Play Store, find the app, tap the 3 dots and choose Uninstall Updates, or use ADB with the command PM uninstall user 0 package only if comfortable with command line. After rollback, test the app. If it behaves poorly, clear cache and data, or reinstall the stable version. If problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.